Look, look what Angel did. There's a fake imposter. Angel, Ice Cream versus Environmental. Look, Angel's Ice Cream versus Environmental. He made a video of doing this the clock. Look what he did. Look what this person did. He's subscribing to people. Subscribing to me. Angel's Ice Cream versus Environmental. And Cooper. And this is not me. This is not Cooper. And this is Angel, definitely. This is Angel. It's creating a fake channel again. It's creating a fake channel. It's creating a fake YouTube channel. And I don't like this. And he joined October 8th, and that's today. See, it says today. It says today, October 8th. So yeah. And this is just clicking off, and guys, don't refund this user. Don't refund this user. So report him or block him on YouTube. Report him and get him terminated. Because he's not a nice person and his videos suck. Look. He makes that garbage trucks. Look at that. Look at that. He makes that garbage trucks. That's garbage. He makes that garbage trucks. And he was recorded by Emoji V. I don't like that. Do not like it. He just makes so that garbage trucks. Let's fucking do it. He copied videos from his other channel. Took these videos and did them.
107420. Do you have a sub truck?
So I fucking hate this. On one of his videos. So bye guys. Please do not refund this user. Please report him if you can. Thanks guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye guys.